Hi, tiny ones. Today's lesson is about jungle animals. A jungle is a warm place with lots of trees and animals. Jungle animals are animals that make their homes in the jungle. Let's meet them. Okay, tiny ones, try to repeat after me. Ready? Tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant. Monkey, monkey. Leopard, leopard. Sloth, sloth. Toucan, toucan. Anaconda, anaconda. And there you have it. Those are our jungle animals. Now, look at the picture and try to guess what animals come out before all the tiles come off. Go!